Lemonade, fresh lemonade syrup recipe. Welcome to Ama Cooks, and let's start right now. So to make fresh lemonade syrup, you're going to need 3 cups of sugar. You can also substitute the sugar for Splenda. If you do, then it has the 1 cup equals to 24 packets. So you can substitute the sugar for the Splenda. And then you're going to need 3 cups of fresh lemon juice, 1 cup of boiling water, 2 tablespoons of grated lemon peel or zest. Just cut up our lemon. Pour our sugar in a bigger bowl. 1 cup boiling water. And then we are just going to put this in the freezer to cool it quickly, and then we can start mixing our syrup. So we are just going to squeeze the juice, 3 cups of the fresh lemon juice. Now we're just going to mix. This is our syrup. We are going to add our lemon zest. And then we're just going to add our lemon squeeze fresh juice. And then we are just going to store this in a storage container. Hello friends, so we just finished making fresh lemonade syrup, and this is how you make it. You can keep this in the refrigerator, and then whenever you want to make lemonade for your family and friends, you just take it, it's already made, and you just mix your lemonade. Whenever you need it, you don't have to start from fresh. Also watch the next video about how to make fresh lemonade for your family and friends. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel so I can make more videos like this. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section below for me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on that video. Take care. Bye.